Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today we are going to unbox the January Kawaii Box. Let's see what's inside. January is my birthday month. I just had my birthday on January 16th. So I'm pretty excited to see what's inside this box. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this down here. That way my table doesn't shake. Alright, so of course it comes with the card. And it tells you everything that's in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. All right, so first things first, I got some strawberry chocolate hearts. Now, since this is the third box, I will go ahead and be doing a Japanese candy tasting since I have now 3 that I've gotten. So that'll be an upcoming video. Kind of excited about that. And then I got this cute little pad of paper, which is adorable. It's the back side. Very, very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see if there is anything inside. Oh, how cute. So that's one pad. And then the second image is this one. Very cute. And then the third thing is a little bunny pin. And then very adorable. Always love stationery. And then I got this cute unicorn. How adorable is that? It's a little plushy keychain. And then, I love these things. I'm so addicted to these. What a perfect thing to get on your own birthday month, right? So it's a little squishy. And I absolutely love these. You can hang it from something. So perfect for me because it's my birthday month. Very adorable. And then I got some M&M hair goodies, which is perfect for my almost 6-year-old. She'll love those. And then I got this adorable bag. There's nothing on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'll probably end up using this as a makeup bag. Take that out. So that's the inside. Perfect little makeup bag. I love little images on the front. Too cute. And then I got 30-piece, looks like stickers, which is adorable. And this is the back. Excuse my absolutely horrible nails. I have not had 2 minutes to even try to paint them. So hopefully I can paint them this weekend. And then I got ABC stickers. I usually hate filming when my nails are like horrible, but had to. And then of course, this is just the stuff that they usually include. So very cool. Anyways, that does it for the January Kawaii Box. I love my Kawaii boxes. They are like one of my favorite boxes to get every month, aside of course from all my makeup subscriptions. So if you are not joined with Kawaii yet, if you go in my link in my description box, I left a link there, and I believe it either saves you $5 off or 10%. I'm not sure, I forgot. It's one of those days I have sick kids, so but check them out. Seriously, like, they are on time every month and they're fabulous. So I get really cute stuff every month and it's usually on point. So anyways, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.